seen the inside of one of these cars, let alone from the passenger seat. Let's go for a drive, we'll talk a little bit and just enjoy the vibe. Looks like there were only 44 RZ spec Supras made, and of those, 42 are in Japan, according to the Supra registry. I mean, one's here in North America, and one's over in the Australia area. People always ask, is driving a right-hand drive hard to drive around the US? Honestly, not really. You kind of get used to it. But all in all, I think it took me maybe 2 weeks to kind of get used to it, really, for a daily. And then after that, it's just kind of muscle memory. If you want to see more of this car, follow me on Instagram. It's at 2JSecra. And if you're a Supra guy, drop a comment. I want to know what you guys are running. What kind of horsepower, what mods you've done, all of that.